Hey everyone, got my latest new old Jeep problem here, which is damaged zippers on the top, zipper pulls that don't want to stay on, and we're getting ready to head into the rainy season here. And I'll be running my son back and forth to school on a fairly routine basis. So to take care of this problem now, after pricing out some new soft tops, I found a local hard top that I'm going to be heading down to pick up now. So I'm going to move my Jeep around here, get this top off, then we'll hit the road. I guess the first order here of operations is get these the top off, and to get that off, this top rack thing is going to have to lose a couple of bars. So we'll start with those. ready to go. All right, a few days later, quick follow-up. The top pickup went really well. Thing, well, fits like a factory top. So a few little dings on it here and there, right? Be pretty easy to touch up. The little spots it does have. It does need probably the stretch replaced on the window. I've got those in back. Those will be future video. But overall, things really clean and unbelievably quieter than it was before. So for everybody that's ridden in here has commented on that. Another small little mark there. But next thing on the list is to see if I can track down a factory add a hardtop wiring kit. They used to have them, they're out of production now. Trying to track down new old stock so far is being difficult, so I may have to resort to salvage yards and see what I can do. But one way or the other, I'm gonna get the rest of the stuff working on here. So anybody knows where to pick one up, let me know. One other thing, it's gonna need both wires for the rear defrost. Both sides are off, so I got to figure out if you've soldered those back on or if there's some type of conductive glue that can use to get them back on. But that's on the list of things to do as well. But so far I am loving the top. For less than a new soft top would have ran for a decent one. It's nice, but next winter or next summer this will come off and I'll put another soft top on for the summer months. But for now, I'm loving it. That's it for this one. Tune in soon, we'll have more coming, and thanks for watching.